Okay. Very quickly, let's start. Okay, now it's 11. First question is about a graph. So you have to interpret the graph. All right, and then, yeah, okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Hannah, you can go and try and type in, no problem. I'll take a look later. As I go through, I will definitely be looking at the answers again. Right. Turn on the camera. Where's the link? Kian, didn't I tell you that you have to bookmark this? Yeah. No, Brian, if you're hearing the sound today, because I activated it so that I do not miss out people who are in the waiting room. Sometimes I'm so focused in explaining the question, then students are waiting in the waiting room and I didn't realize and they have to wait for a long time. Yeah. So I don't want that to happen. Okay. Question 1. I'm going to go through quite quickly for question 1 because I don't think it's too difficult, right? But I don't see your scoring here. When I look at the answer in the portal, you are not scoring the marks there. Okay. Why is that so? Take a look. Now, Kian, I don't see you doing your work, no? Why is that so? Correct. Because I only choose now to show those who have done the work. Okay, so if you have not done your work, you did it? No, I didn't see it. If I were to take a look this morning, that is too late. You have to do it the day before at least. Right not? Because I have lessons this morning as well. I said it last time as well. Okay, Kian, you try your best. Okay, I can create a row for you. You transfer your answer over. Okay, Brian, can you please tell me? Okay, Ken, Miko, thank you. Now, Brian, can you tell me what is your email? I think because you're using your mom's email account, right? Yeah. What is your mom's email address? Because I set permission. Is this the one that she's using? Oh, I think she's using her full name, then with 2018. That's the one. Yeah, okay. I activate that one. So only your role, only you can edit it. Okay. You try again. Brian, you go to your own answer or you may want to refresh it. Refresh the page. Okay, come back to this. Now, the very important thing is the average temperature increase as the amount of carbon dioxide increase is based on this reason. More carbon dioxide traps more heat. You are talking about greenhouse gas, but you didn't explain that carbon dioxide traps heat. Okay, if you look at your own answers again, all of you, you are missing out this part. Okay, let's see. Only Tommy says that carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and it traps heat, and that is good. Okay, Nikki, right. Okay, Nikki got it right as well. So the part on trapping heat is crucial. Okay, Serena, you said carbon dioxide gets more heat. it's not about getting more heat. It is trapping the heat in the atmosphere. So if you don't have the trapped heat in the atmosphere, sorry, no marks. Okay, crucial, you have to mention that. Hannah, you saw that I highlighted some words, right? Yeah, you look at the error you made there. Can you see in the Google Sheet? The first question, 1A. Yeah, so, you see, Alex, I didn't give you marks. I didn't highlight your box, isn't it? Why is that? So you said it's a greenhouse gas. So when there is more of it in the air, it will make the atmosphere thicker and the atmosphere will trap heat. You are saying atmosphere. Yeah. Okay, Brian, are you using a new email address now? You're not using the Rachel something? You have to, okay, don't say the atmosphere traps heat, say carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps heat. You have to log in, Brian, you have to log in. What is your own email address? Can you stick to the same one, Brian? If you're going to use so many different email addresses, then every time I have to keep editing the email addresses. Okay, you refresh. Did you refresh or not? You close the whole thing and then you start again. Never mind, you still cannot, then you at the end of the day. I don't want to address this now. We cannot finish the question. We have many questions. Okay? Yeah, Kian, then you have to sign in again. Okay? Yeah, come prepared for the lesson. I think it's easier. If I have to fix everybody's question or everybody's problem, there are 19 of you. I don't think we can finish our work, I think we have to be considerate. Everybody is here to learn. Everybody should be given equal chance. We do it later. Okay. Kian, yours is correct. You want to see? This is the one. Okay. I don't think you need to log in again because you have already typed in one just now. You should be able to continue to type in one, unless just now it wasn't you. Okay. Okay, let's just focus on the worksheet. Okay, so question B. Over the 50 years, scientists observed that plants grew bigger. Why is that so? You have to talk about carbon dioxide leading to photosynthesis, right? So more carbon dioxide leads to more photosynthesis. Don't end there. What happens during photosynthesis? Okay, you need to talk about the food, more food produced. That's why the plant grew bigger. Okay, what are you missing out? You are missing out many things. Okay, you're missing out many things. You see, if I look at Alex, okay, Alex one can, because he mentioned specifically photosynthesize more. I like the word, he said photosynthesize more and make more food. All right. Then Brian says amount of carbon dioxide. Okay, you see, you talk about able to photosynthesis. Okay, plants actually can photosynthesize more with more carbon dioxide. It's a stronger answer, Brian. Then you see, therefore, more food is produced and the plants grew bigger. Yes or not? When we eat more, Brian, do we grow bigger? We grow bigger. What? If I eat, usually I eat one plate of rice. Then starting from today, I eat 2 plates of rice. Do you think mistake will grow bigger? Yes, of course, grow bigger. Right now, Brian. So you have the concept there. Wonderful. I want you to change it. Okay, later, not now. If you say you can't edit, change it. Because if you write down more carbon dioxide, more photosynthesis, then more food. Fantastic answer. Okay, you refer to Alex one. Denise, see, I mentioned here as well for you in the comment, more food produced, then plant can grow bigger. Okay, you missed out on that. Hannah, right. Okay. Yeah. More food, grow bigger. Okay. Photosynthesize and your order is wrong. Yours is photosynthesize, then got more carbon dioxide, then more food produced. Priya, like that, they will mark you wrong. You have to say because there are more carbon dioxide, then more photosynthesis take place, then more food produced. Your order is wrong. How can photosynthesize first and then more carbon dioxide produced, right? Priya, you get it? Okay. Then Serena, yes. See, carbon dioxide, okay, go photosynthesize faster. Okay. Add in the word more, Serena, then it's a stronger answer. Tommy, photosynthesize more, then what happened? Okay, why can photosynthesize more? Okay, Nikki's special way of answering, he didn't have to say more carbon dioxide, more photosynthesis, because he talked about it this way. When there's more carbon dioxide in the air, all right, the plants use this for carbon dioxide. So it's that category of more carbon dioxide really, right? So the plants use those carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, then cause more food to be produced. Good. Then the plant become bigger. Okay. Kian says more carbon dioxide. You need to talk about more food, Kian. You add in more food, then it's fine. Photosynthesize more. Nico, add in photosynthesize more and produce more food. All right. Then Nico, yours, this part here, what you're missing out is carbon dioxide. You say more carbon dioxide, right? So more heat is trapped, which leads to global warming. Your answer is wrong because you say the plants photosynthesize and got more carbon dioxide. Isn't it got more carbon dioxide first, then photosynthesize? Yeah, you get what I mean? How can the plants photosynthesize first and then it got more carbon dioxide? I don't think you're understanding me, Are you understanding me? Can? Okay, good. You have to nod your head. Otherwise, I don't know whether you understand or not. Okay. Brian, if you cannot, what about the bottom? Are you able to answer here? If I copy your answer here, you try again. See whether you can edit at the bottom. Okay, you try to see whether you can edit here. Are you able to? Very good. Okay, good. I solved your problem now. I've been thinking and thinking and thinking how to do it faster. Okay, great. So let's go on. See, with more carbon dioxide, always start with this one first. More carbon dioxide, rate of photosynthesis faster, then produce more food. The plant grow bigger. Yeah. Okay, Priya, I'll take a look in a while. Okay, 1C. Now, in addition, you see, scientists observe that plants have more leaves over the 50 years. More leaves now, but these cause the soil to be drier. Why? Because fewer raindrops fell onto the ground, okay, fell onto the soil. So you explain why. They already told you fewer raindrops, okay? Fewer raindrops will fall from leaf to soil. This is the part you need to explain. Okay, this is the part you need to explain. Now, that 50 years, the global average temperature rises. So it's hotter in the environment, there's more heat. There's more heat in the environment, okay? So more heat in the environment, what happens is, got a lot of leaves now, right? Raindrops will fall on the leaves first. Once it falls on the leaves, it gains heat from the surrounding, which is hotter than before, and the rainwater evaporate. Therefore, no chance to actually drop onto the ground. Okay.